Farmers are furious at plans to ditch tax breaks on diesel, even though Mr. Scholz's government has already compromised on the issue. Olaf Scholz, Germany's beleaguered chancellor, has lashed out at extremists, whom he accused of stoking rage, as the country braced for more tractor protests by angry farmers have blocked major roads and snarled traffic across the country with their tractors as part of a week of protests against proposals to scrap tax breaks on diesel which is used in agriculture. They went ahead with the demonstrations even though the government watered down its original plan by saying that a car tax exemption for farming vehicles would be retained and the cuts in the diesel tax breaks would be in a video message, Mr. Scholz insisted he took the farmers' arguments to heart, and claimed his government had offered a good compromise, even though farmers continue to insist on fully reversing the subsidy cuts. Officials would discuss what else we can do so that agriculture has a good future, he added. Plans to scrap the tax breaks stem from the need to fill a large hole in Germany's Mr. Scholz acknowledged concerns that go well beyond farming subsidies, saying that crises, conflicts and worries about the future are unsettling people. He said, "Arguments belong to democracy. But I know, including from personal experience of recent months, that arguments can wear people down and stoke uncertainty. We must improve this year. Compromises were likewise an essential part of democracy," Mr.